since I caught you all that ice. You got no chill, no more.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Big Boy Cat, and I'm back again with another video, y'all. And today is day 3 of the vlog, and y'all, today gonna be a big day, y'all. Today, my mom and boyfriend finna propose to her, so let y'all see it. So stay tuned, y'all. This finna get crazy. So make sure y'all get, if y'all like, come share, subscribe, and make sure y'all turn on my post notification, that way y'all get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, it's finna get crazy, y'all. So yeah.
Come on. Will you marry me? Thank you so much.
Taking pictures of me, yeah.
We got married, y'all. He just proposed.
Come back.